Would you like to become more focused around selling? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 key activities to help you focus more on selling. So key activity number 1 is very simple. Carve out time in your diary. Now, I know you might think, yeah, that's obvious, but an awful lot of people don't do that. I get my clients to carve out 2 hours every single day. And then what I encourage them to do is identify the percentage of time during those 2 hours they're going to focus on selling their high-end offer. Because often with your high-end offer, it takes more than one conversation. So by having 2 hours, what happens is very quickly the sales start coming in. And over a period of time, the sales start rocketing. And that's all because they've carved out time, and every single day they're focusing some of their effort and energy on selling. Key activity number 2 is to identify the best time of day for you to sell. You know, our energy fluctuates throughout the day. So for some people, they can't do anything first thing in the morning. They've sort of like got to get themselves going before they can start to sell. For other people, it will be early afternoon after maybe they've gone out for a walk or had a bite to eat. Find out what the best time of day is for you to sell, and then keep that time sacrosanct so that you can sell in that key vibrational area of time for you, so that you're feeling at your best, and that's going to transmit over to your client. Key activity number 3, identify what you want to sell. Now, again, if you are in a big organization, multinational, you've got all your plans done, you know what's happening, what's selling, what's coming up in the pipeline. But when you're a solopreneur, often not everybody has a sales plan. Now, I know that's going to surprise you. It doesn't surprise me because I hear that an awful lot. However, you can just have an A4 sheet of paper, divide it up into the weeks, and plan out what you're going to sell when. What this will do is it will help you to stay on message. And when you are on message, people buy. But when you're off message, or when you're sending out lots of different messages, you confuse your buyer, and a confused mind doesn't buy. So make sure you identify every single month what you want to sell and when you're going to sell it, and just plan it out. It's not going to take a lot of time, but you will be so thankful you did it at the end. Key activity number 4. Identify the group of clients you want to sell to. So let's say you're creating a group coaching program. Sit down, and maybe you want, say, 12 people on it. Sit down and write out a list of all the people that you think might be interested in coming on that group coaching program. And if you want 12, write out a list of 50 names. Because from that 50 names, providing you're reaching out and you're having focused conversations with them, you will get 12 people converting. So identify the groups of clients that you want to sell to, and then simply spend more time with them. More time face to face, where they can get to know you and buy your services. That's great, isn't it? Key activity number 5 is then to set up a follow-up program. And again, I hate to say it, but a lot of solopreneurs and coaches and consultants don't have a follow-up program. And you need to keep touching base with your client so that you keep the relationship alive, so that when a project comes in, they do think about you. So if you are absolutely packed out with work, then connect with your clients twice a year. If you're not packed out with work and you do have some breathing space, think about connecting with them 3 or 4 times a year. This is a must. It doesn't matter how busy you are, you have got to keep those relationships going, especially if you want to get more business from them. So they are my 5 key activities. I have a bonus, and the bonus is always celebrate the wins, whether it's big or small. Always celebrate the wins, because it demonstrates to you that you have just won a client, and that's brilliant because you are growing your business and you want to celebrate that. So I hope this video has helped, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.